Alright, Heyo, everybody. Welcome back to Tavian's World of Reptiles. You look at this. Bet you know who that is. Yeah. The other little baby boy who was in shed. Come on. Little Iroh. He is looking so good. Just look at him. Oh my goodness. His colors are just amazing. Look at that head stamp. He looking good. Looks like he might have lost the scale at the top, or is that just like a white speck at the top of his head? Either way, he is looking fantastic. You know, there's so much talk about this spider gene all over YouTube right now, and I ain't gonna go into it, because like I said, I don't even know much about it. I didn't even know about no wobble till I got him, but I have no regrets. I love this beautiful gift. Seriously, like, big shout out to Black Balls who got this for me at the auction a couple months back, or I don't know how long ago. It seems like it was a couple months. So much time has passed, but yeah, and ZTK. Yeah, this is all ZTK production. He did a great job with this. Beautiful, beautiful snake here, so yeah, just wanted to give you guys an update because I opened up the tub and noticed that there was a skin. Decided to do a little video real quick. So yeah, you gonna say hi, Iroh? You gonna say hi? Nah, you ain't feel like talking. That's cool. You look good though, man. You look good. Yeah, you know you look good. He know he look good. God, I just love the white on the sides. Just amazing. Ugh, and those eyes. Look at those eyes. Just beautiful. So yeah, I'm gonna go. I'm gonna leave him be. You know, I'll probably give him a little bit of handling actually, since I did disturb him. So let him have a little bit of out time. All right, this is TWR. You guys love yourselves. Love your reptiles. Take care of yourselves. Y'all keep spreading those herps. Say bye, Iroh.